Thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm going classic Italian and I'm going to make tiramisu. Tiramisu is a rich Italian dessert and it's made up of ladyfingers, which are little delicate cookies, and they're dipped in coffee, and also mascarpone cheese, which is whipped up with eggs and sugar. It's then layered up and finished off with cocoa. This is a nice rich dessert, but it's also very light. Okay, so the first stage is I'm going to whisk up the eggs with the mascarpone cheese. Okay, so I've separated the two eggs, so I've got the yolks and the whites. So we're going to go in first with the egg yolks, 2 egg yolks in the bowl. And we're going to whip these up with half of the sugar. So I've got 50 grams of sugar, so we'll whip this up with half the sugar. You just want to whip this up till it becomes nice and stiff. Okay, so once you've whipped that up, we're going to now start adding the mascarpone cheese. So I've got 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, so we're going to start adding that now. Just add it gradually. Okay, so once that mixture's whipped up, we'll just put that to the side, then we'll whip up our egg whites now. Okay, so in a separate bowl, we're going to whip up our egg whites. So 2 egg whites. We're going to whip these up and we'll gradually add the rest of the sugar. Okay, so once that's whipped up and it's nice and stiff, we're going to fold this into our mascarpone cheese mix. Okay, so we're going to fold this in gently. But we'll mix in 1 spoonful first before we fold it in. Okay, the rest we'll just fold in. You don't want to lose too much of the air, we want to keep this nice and light. Okay, so that's our mix ready and we can now move on to the next stage. We've got a nice long dish here, so I'm going to go in first with some coffee. I'm using fresh coffee for this. If you haven't got fresh coffee, don't worry, you can use instant. Okay, so that'll be about 150 ml of coffee, and I'm just going to sweeten this up a little bit with a couple of teaspoons of sugar. So 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, so now we're ready to layer the dessert up. Now I'm serving the tiramisu in these little glasses, but if you don't have these, you can just serve it in a tray if you like. I just think it look quite nice in these. So this recipe today should give you a good 4 portions. Okay, so you're going to need about 150 grams of ladyfingers here. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go in first with a little spoon of the mascarpone mix, just in the bottom. Just get your ladyfinger and just dip it in the coffee. I'm going to break this in half just so that it fits in the bowl. Obviously if you're doing a tray you wouldn't have to do this. Okay, then some more of the mascarpone mix on top. Okay, and we'll just break it in half. And another layer of the mascarpone on top. Okay, so I'm just going to let these set in the fridge for about 2 hours. Finish these off with some cocoa. And to finish it off, we're just going to get one of the lady fingers. Cut that in half. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a go. If you are enjoying my videos, please give me the thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.